Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put a password on your website here on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To password protect your Wix website, you can secure individual pages or the entire site. Now, it's a straightforward process because all you have to do is once you're logged in, I want you to click on the Sites section on the left side panel of your dashboard so you can open the Wix editor. Now here, I want you to hover to the left pane of your toolbar and click on the Pages and Menu. Now, if you wanted to secure individual pages for a password, for example, this one right here, I'm gonna rename this one as right click on done. Click the three dots icon and click in the go to page info, layout, and permissions. If you click on permissions, what will happen is you have the option to click the password holders. All right, you can set a password for this and put in the passwords for this specific page. You can also put in a members only access, wherein you can choose members who will have access, members with roles, members with plan subscriptions, or even site collaborators. If you wanted to put in a password, all you have to do is put in this, right? All you have to do is click on OK, all right? Now, this is for general access. If you want it for the site members only, for example, members with plan subscriptions. If you do that, you might want to create a plan. You can monetize exclusive page content with a pricing plan. You can sell packages and a lot more. Now, all you have to do is create plan. If you do that, it'll take you to another page wherein you are required to put in some information that includes the password. All right. This is very important because if you have a membership area, you can restrict access to certain pages based on login information instead of using a single password. All right. It's a simple way to protect sensitive content or create exclusive sections on your Wix site. So after doing so, you would be forwarded here on the pricing plans right here. So they could get exclusive content right here, right? Put that, and at the end is you have an option for the password. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.